Is MS Dhoni hanging up his gloves, or is he just gearing up for another blockbuster IPL season? The eternal question that keeps the cricket world on its toes, much like a suspense-filled Bollywood thriller. Now, speaking of thrillers, Dhoni's cricket career could easily be likened to some of the most dramatic movie scenes. Picture this, the final overs of a high-stakes match, and there he is, calm as a seasoned actor, ready for the climax scene, hitting sixes as smoothly as Shah Rukh Khan delivers romantic dialogues. But then, plot twist, rumors swirl about his retirement. Is this the end, or just an intermission? Former Chennai Super Kings player Robin Uthappa recently hinted that despite the whispers of retirement following a tough loss to Royal Challengers Bengaluru in IPL 2024, Dhoni might just return for IPL 2025. It seems our hero might have another sequel in him yet, despite a calf injury that has limited his appearances. Even in his brief 25-run innings against RCB, Dhoni showed glimpses of his old flair, though it wasn't enough to secure a win for CSK this time. Dhoni's strategic moves on the field could be compared to a grandmaster in a tense game of chess. With each placement, each decision, he's always 3 moves ahead, keeping spectators and players alike guessing his next strategy. It's not just about brute force. It's about finesse, about outsmarting the opponent, about turning the game on its head when least expected. So, as we wait to see if the credits roll on Dhoni's illustrious career, or if we're simply at the edge of our seats before another thrilling chapter, why not take a moment to reminisce? Share your funniest Dhoni moment in the comments. Was it a cheeky run, a lightning-fast stumping, or perhaps one of his famous last-over heroics? Let the anecdotes flow and celebrate the legend that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.